back to my channel. So today I'm in my kitchen. You're asking why? Well, we're gonna be making some cake. Let's make some cake. So this is milk chocolate cake and we're gonna be making it. So our ingredients are this batter inside this, and we have to have 1 1/5 of a cup of water, and then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and 3 eggs. So we got some vegetable oil right here, and we got 3 eggs right here, and we got this measuring, and we're just gonna put water in this. So first we're gonna open this batter. Okay, finally opened. Yes, this is the batter, and we're gonna put this in. I'm gonna put this here. Guys, don't mind the door. It's my aunt. Don't mind it. We're gonna get knife. How are you? So, Christa, you wanna join? I'm making a cake on my YouTube channel.
Hi.
This is my cousin Christa in my other vlog. You know her. Christa's gonna be joining us today. So come here, Christa. I'm just gonna open this while Christa comes here. I'm just gonna open this. Okay, we need a mixing. Okay, Christa, can you take care of this being open so it doesn't spill while I get a mixing bowl?
Okay.
No, put your phone away. Christa, be careful. Okay, guys, so I'm still looking for a bowl. Let's try top of the fridge.
Yeah, I can.
Bet some bowls are right here. Is this fine? I'm gonna ask Father.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask my brother. This is fine. Okay, guys, finally got a decent mixing bowl. It's the other one, the one smaller. This one's yeah, this one's a bigger one. So we're just gonna put it here, guys. Sorry you're not gonna see it, but it's just hard for you to see it. First, we're gonna put the cake box. Wait, where? Oh my God! I threw the box and no. Okay, fine.
Oh my God.
Thank God I didn't throw the box because it has the instructions. First, preheat the oven. Okay, we'll do that later.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna have to put them all in. Let's put the cake batter in first. I'm just gonna open this more.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
I think that's enough. Yeah.
Wait, just don't, wait. Leave me in a minute. It's gonna fall.
Why is fine?
No, just leave it.
Okay. Oh my God, this is really big.
Yes, it is big. And we're gonna show you. Please, can I put some bin? This is how much it has until now, and it's really a lot. Now we're gonna put. Okay, I have my my measuring thing in here, and we have to have 275 millis. Okay, 275. But let's just put water, and we're gonna figure out how much more we need. 1/5 is like a little bit. Wait. We need to have this. Okay, so it's basically 1 cup. This is 1 cup, and then we're gonna have to have a little bit more, like 1/5.
Okay.
So like Christa, put more. Okay. We're just gonna measure this and come back to you guys. Okay, guys. So we got the right thing, and we're gonna pour it in. Guys, we're gonna pour this in. Show them how it pours in. It's gonna be really weird. Okay, just put the water in, and now, guys, we're gonna pour the vegetable oil. How much vegetable oil do we need? Okay, so we need 80 millis. 18 millis. Where is 80 millis? No. Okay, guys, I'm putting this, but I'm not sure if it's like the actual thing. Okay, guys, so it seems that was even the wrong oil I was supposed to put, so she put for me in how much. So let's just pour it in. Come on, guys. See how we pour it in. Okay, just poured that in. Now we need to put the 3 eggs. So let's put in the 3 eggs. Let's crack them and put them in. Oops. That was a hard crack. Okay, yo, 100 times. Guys, wait, don't come, guys. It's disgusting. Let's put in the other one. No. Okay, I mean, that's how you do cake. Okay. Wait here, guys, wait here. Now we're gonna do my next one. Oops, this one's hard. Okay. Okay, guys, we got everything in, and now I'm just gonna get. Oops. I'm gonna just get the whisk, because this one's for the thing, the electrical whisk. So guys, we're just gonna whisk this in,
And we'll see you.
We just need to show you how we whisk we're whisking this thing. And we're just gonna whisk it a little bit until it's all whisked in. Hi guys, so my aunt here to help us. Say hi.
Hi. She's
That's
my mother.
my aunt and Christa's mom. And can you preheat the oven?
Okay.
Okay, she's just gonna preheat the oven while we continue mixing, and then we're gonna put it in this thingy. Wait, I'm just gonna get the thingy we're supposed to have.
Chill.
This thingy, so it can take the shape of the cake. And yeah, basically. I'm just gonna get this thing ready. Christa, can you move for me a little bit? I'm just gonna get this thing ready. We put some oil inside so it doesn't stick, and I'm just...
Yes.
Okay,
There's a pan.
okay, so get back to you when we want to put it in the...
Bye.
in the oven. Bye. Guys, so
Okay, thank you.
my aunt is just like putting it inside this thing, and we're preheated the oven, and we're gonna put it in a second. This is the oven preheating, and this is my aunt. So yeah, we're just gonna put it in the oven and get back to you when it's done coming out of the oven. So bye. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna turn this thing off, and we're gonna take it off from the oven. So I'm scared. Okay, where did I put it? Just on this? Okay. I'm scared. I've never taken anything out of the oven before. Take this. Okay. Oof. This is hot. Okay guys, see you when we're gonna... So this is the cake, and see you when we take it off to the plate. So bye! Guys, my aunt is just flipping this because it's too hard to flip for me. Hopefully it's a good cake. I mean, we've worked hard on it, like really hard, yeah, sure. Is it coming off? Is it even coming off? Yes! Oh, my cake! My cake! And this smells good. It smells really good. Guys, our cake turned out to suck, and we had to turn it. We had to turn it so it looks better. Wait, let me focus. We had to turn it, and it gets stuck in the thing, and we had to turn it to the opposite side. But at least it's good. Is it
So good. It's so good. I love it.
Okay, we're gonna do a taste test in a little bit. Hey guys, so we have a little bit of here, and we're gonna taste test. Wait, don't taste test.
I have a little bit.
And I'm gonna just get a little bit. It's so soft. It's good. Okay, wait. Let me focus. Wait. Let me focus.
Okay.
Okay.
3.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. It's so soft.
I'm
Okay, we're gonna sit here and eat like 2 slices of this because it's so good. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. But it's so good, so I'm gonna eat it anyways. Anyways, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications, and check out other videos. So, bye.